Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with a haul from Longchamp. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so if you guys don't know, I had COVID. I'm on the mends. I'm still not 100% better. I have tested negative, but the lingering effects are very real. Okay, so my voice is coming back. I feel 75-80% better today. So I've had this bag for about 2 weeks now. So let me show you guys what I got. I ordered it from Longchamp. Okay, I want to try again because my last 2 bags did not work for me. You know, one I gave to my daughter. The other one was an immediate return. So, third time hopefully is the charm, okay? So, let's unwrap this. Pull this out. Okay, the bag I got is this. This is the pilage extra small. Let me get the right name. This is the pilage extra small LPG top handle bag. Multicolor, but the color is black and white, and the little pull tab on here is like a neon green color. This bag is cute. This bag is cute. I got this because it is a little different for me. I do wear a lot of black. Y'all know I wear black almost every day. So this time I made sure it had the 2 handles. Okay. Right here. And it just has a zipper. The other one that I sent back, you remember it said Longchamp across the zipper. This one does not say that. And it doesn't say anything on the actual tassel. But you have the Longchamp right here on this part of the hardware. It is, it's like a matte, looks like a matte black color hardware right here. Okay, this is the bag, y'all. This is the size of the bag. So when you open it up, cardboard, it has the strap. We'll open that in a moment. It has one pocket right here. Let's pull this down. It has a pocket right here. Little care booklet or something in there. Yeah. There is another pocket on this side. I don't think a phone will fit in that. I don't think. We'll try. And when you straighten the bag completely out, like, this is it. This is the bag. It says Longchamp all over the bag. Like I was saying, I'm looking for something, you know, carefree, every day. I can just throw on crossbody and go on about my life, my day-to-day activities that I need to do. Like, that's it. That's the bag. I do still want one in all black. This is canvas. Let me get y'all the specs, okay? The dimensions on this bag, it's 6.7 inches in length, 5.5 inches in height, and 3.9 inches in width. This is polyamide canvas with inside coating, silver hardware, like the snap closure and everything, and the little rings right here. These are silver. The trimming on here, this is cowhide leather, it's textile lining. Okay, the strap is 20.9 inches in the length. Okay, so that's the dimensions of the bag. Let's get the strap. I don't want to take this off, the plastic off, until I am absolutely for sure that I can crossbody this. So let me get the strap. Let's open the strap and see. The strap has silver hardware on the ends of the strap, as you can see right here. Is this adjustable? Yes, it is adjustable. See right here, adjustable. Let's go ahead. This has 5 holes in it. We're gonna try this again. We're gonna put this on the longest setting, and let's see if I can crossbody this comfortably. If not, I will send this back, and I might just give up on Longchamp. Seriously. As far as like a crossbody bag, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I have it clipped on. Let's see. Okay, as you guys can see, it fits. It hits at a decent length, so this just made it. So on the longest setting, this works for the kid. So, yeah, this one is a keeper. Now, if you're super tall, if you're 6 foot or whatever, I don't know how you're gonna, you know, 5'10", 6 foot. This might be a little young on you, okay? But I got one more thing, okay? Hold on. So, you guys, I have another package to go with this. I was cleaning out one of my bags, my wallet, and I stumbled across a Nordstrom card, a gift card. And I was like, I completely forgot about this gift card, you guys. So I had enough on the gift card to buy something else. This is how they wrap. Okay. Did I know this color? She's not happy. And this is what I got. I got a Longchamp wallet card holder. I promise you, I thought online that the color of this was way more vibrant. This is like a true, like, it's like the color of my hair in person. It's like a cognac color. Online it's looking orange, but it's not orange at all. This is really, really soft. Really soft. It has 4 card slots. 2 on each side, so 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and 1 in the middle. And inside it says Longchamp. Is it focusing? It says Longchamp in the middle. This was only like $65 or something like that. Am I wowed by this? No. No, 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 no. I really thought that the color was more vibrant than this. I believe that that's what I thought. It's been a couple of weeks since I ordered this, so, and it's just been sitting in here, so I completely forgot about the color of this. Am I wowed by this? No. And to go with my bag, I mean, So I think this is going back. But anyway, it does say Longchamp. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Let's try to turn the light down. Okay, so I just want you guys to be able to see it says Longchamp right there. And it has the emblem right here. But I'm not wowed by this. Like, not at all. And I really wanted something, you know, to pop in my bag. So this will be returned. I'll try to find another color. Do you guys like this, you know? Because if you guys like this, if you guys want this, I'll give this away to one of you guys. Should we keep this for a giveaway? Let me know down in the comments. If you guys like this, I will gladly put this in a giveaway and give this to one of you guys. We're almost at 7K. So if you guys are interested, I will do this as a 7K giveaway. No problem. Let me know, okay? Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to you, girl. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, you guys.